We have a network of SkillsTX partners around the globe who do various things to help our customers, and I'm going to take you through the different types of partners. So we have three key things. We have our software as a service platform. We have supporting services, including SFIA training, and we have professional services. And different customers will take one or more of these elements to help them, depending on their particular situation and their preferences. We have main bases of operation in the UK, in Australia and the US, and we have partners and resellers in all geographies around the world. We have a number of different types of SkillsTX partner. Some organizations will fit more than one of these categories. The first type of SkillsTX partner is a referral partner. They may refer you to SkillsTX to help you directly, or it may be that SkillsTX can refer you to these partners if we think that their services and offerings would be useful to you. We also have professional membership partners who are professional bodies and professional membership organizations in various parts of the world. Some of those are also a licensing partner and can resell you the SkillsTX SaaS licenses, and some of them also can resell and bundle services along with those as well. We have licensing partners who offer the SkillsTX SaaS licenses as part of their offering to their customers, so you can buy through them. We also have professional services partners. These are the organizations who have some in-house SFIA capability, often SFIA accredited consultants or assessors, and as an organization they may also be a SFIA accredited partner. We can refer you to those so you can get local support from a suitably experienced organization, or it may be that they work alongside and with SkillsTX on various projects to provide that local expertise. We also have mapping partners who are very typically training providers and education organizations who have their offerings mapped to SFIA, and we have that mapping available within the SkillsTX SaaS solution. So training courses are a very good example, certifications, books and publications, as well as some events. You may want to check the SFIA accreditation status for any individuals or organizations you're planning to work with. The place to start is on the SFIA Foundation website, which is sfia-online.org. And in the menu system, you click on the Get Help option. Within the Get Help page, there are several subsections. If you're looking for individual SFIA specialists, so that might be practitioners who tend to work internally within organizations, accredited consultants who've demonstrated their ability to provide consultancy services around SFIA, or SFIA accredited assessors who are accredited to assess individuals under the SFIA Foundation Assessment Scheme. All of those are in the specialist section, and within that you will find a filtering mechanism where you can select practitioner, skills assessor or consultant, or a mix of those things, and you can also filter it based on country. If you're looking at SFIA partner organizations, there are several different types of partner and they have different capabilities. So if you click on the partners section, you will find a filtering mechanism that allows you to see the type of license they have. If you're looking for SFIA consultancy, you need to click the consulting box. It's only those types of organisations that are licensed to provide SFIA consultancy and have demonstrated they've got the capability to do so. So consulting is the usual option that most people will pick. The other types of partner include product, where they are licensed to use SFIA content within their tool, but that doesn't mean they necessarily have any SFIA consulting capability. Mapping, where people have mapped training provision and other things to SFIA. So again, doesn't mean that they are SFIA experts. Rate card, where they're using SFIA to express commercially what they do in line with the SFIA structure. And also you can see the organisations that are also SFIA training providers. If you click on global, that'll show you those organisations that are licensed to do it around the globe. If you're looking at just an individual country, that would show you just the partners who are licensed only in that country. If you're looking to check for approved assessment partners, there's a page for that as well, SFIA approved assessment partners. And if you're looking for SFIA accredited training providers, there's a separate page for that. Again, if you click SFIA training and you click on global, you will be able to see that in the partner organizations list. And if you want to narrow it down to an individual country and just see partners or training providers, partners who are training providers just in that country, you can do that as well. Whether you've already selected a partner to work with and you're looking to scope how you approach your adoption of SFIA and SkillsTX, or if you're just trying to capture your preferences so that you can then share that with potential partners and then understand the offerings and how they might be able to help, the Digital Skills Management Maturity Assessment that we provide on the SkillsTX website can be really useful. It only takes about 10 minutes and it will ask you questions to help you define scope and help you define your preferences for how much you do yourself and how much support you might need from a partner. Where your requirements also include use of the SFIA Foundation Accreditation scheme, it's important to understand the capability that you need and look for the right partner, whether it's a partner providing that or whether it's being done directly through SkillsTX. The scheme recognizes different types of capability, from knowledge, so the theoretical understanding, through to applying that knowledge in a working environment and becoming proficient in a skill, and then on to fully developing that as a professional competency. SFIA accredited assessors are licensed to do these types of assessment against the SFIA Foundation Accreditation scheme, and we have a number of assessors within SkillsTX and within some of our partner organizations. As I mentioned earlier, a good place to start is the Digital Skills Management Maturity Assessment, which should only take you 10 minutes and is completely free of charge. You can register using either the QR code that you can see on the screen or the website URL that's shown there as well. If you're thinking about working with a partner, complete the Digital Skills Management Maturity Assessment, get the report from that, read through it, and then use that to help your discussions with the partner on how they might be able to help you. Or also, if you're talking to us directly at SkillsTX, we can use that as a way of advising which partners might be able to help you, and also if we are helping you directly with any elements.